Welcome to video tutorials of mechanisms by mekanizmalar. As I promised in my previous video, here is an application of the roto servo valve used in a self-adjusting platform. Here the parts are fed to the processing platform with a pneumatic pick and place platform not shown in this animation. Instead, this action is shown in this animation with a mouse click. When the operator pushes the workpiece toward to the working platform, behind the self-adjusting platform, the green arm falls on the next workpiece on the stack. This allows the stack to rise toward the equilibrium position. Each time the operator pushes a piece, the same process is repeated as long as there is a piece on the stack. In the actual production process, this is done automatically, including replenishing the stack with new workpieces. Thank you for watching our video tutorials. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.